Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Richard Hopp, and welcome to the affiliate marketing course here on Udemy. I'm the CEO of marketinghope.net, and I run a 5-figure SEO and digital marketing company. And before I would start with this course, I wanted to give you a short introduction what I'm going to teach you, how I'm going to teach you it, and why you will benefit from it. So, first of all, what am I going to teach you? When I first started my company, it was very hard for me to get customers. We are a service-based company, so obviously the methods we are going to use are different if you have, for example, an Amazon affiliate marketing website, or if you have a product-based website, or if you do drop shipping on a Shopify store, for example. But if you pay close attention to this course, you will actually benefit a lot, no matter what you currently do, because I will teach you some creative ways probably you haven't heard of or you probably never thought of in order to get more customers. And you can use this not only for service-based businesses, but also for products and also for all kinds of businesses. And the most important thing for me with this course is that you not only listen to it and learn directly from this course, but you also are creative and are open-minded to new ways so you can get more customers. I want to inspire you and think outside of the box. I want to motivate you and also to help you how you can think of ways no one else has ever thought of in order to get more customers. Because the fact of the matter is that in 2018 getting customers isn't that easy anymore, at least with conventional ways. Most people run Facebook ads, most people do SEO, most people try to do social media marketing, but the market gets more and more competitive. And of course, while it still works right now, it probably won't work out anymore in 2 years. And I want to make you aware of this because every couple of years there is a new way in order to get attention from your customers. And if you can find a way that no other person has ever thought of in order to get customers, I can assure you that you are going to become very successful with your business. And that's why I'm teaching you this course. I will show you 4 methods in order to get more customers. The first one is going to be Facebook group posting. So you probably already did some marketing stuff on Facebook, but you never really thought of using Facebook groups for your services, because Facebook groups are a very topic specific group of people that have your attention. There are millions of groups on Facebook from all kinds of topics, and if you can get in a lot of groups that are interested in your work, you will get a lot of customers over there. The second method I'm going to teach you are websites like Fiverr, People Per Hour, and SEO Clerks. Well, you probably already heard of Fiverr, but most of the people don't know how to actually use Fiverr in order to scale your business. Because of course, if you are a freelancer, you can post your services over there, but you can use Fiverr and People Per Hour, for example, in a lot of different ways in order to get more recurring customers that love your work and come back to you if they need something done. Because I also want to implement your mindset of not only being a freelancer, but actually build and scale a business. This is the most important thing. I don't want you to get a single customer that's going to pay you for a single service or product. No, I want you to get customers that actually come back and that you serve for a lifetime. That's the end goal, right? You want to get customers that are happy with your work, that are willing to come back because you gave them so much value. The third method is going to be freelancer.com and upwork.com. This is a really awesome method in order to get customers. Those are 2 websites that usually no one thinks of in order to get customers. Of course, you probably know that if you are a freelancer or a virtual assistant, that you can get some sales on this website. But most of the people don't know how to use the site properly. And I'm going to teach you how we scaled our business from 0 figures to 5 figures in a couple of months only by using freelancer.com. This is the best website in order to get more customers, trust me. And the fourth method is going to be email marketing. And now you probably think, email marketing, what the fuck, do we live in 2008 or 2009? No, email marketing is still a thing if you know how to do email marketing properly. Most of the people will just go out there and spam a lot of websites. They will send out 1,000 emails or 100 emails every single day that have no actual value. And this is absolutely useless. If you want to get more customers through email marketing, then I will teach you a very good way in order to get more customers. And this is by giving them value upfront and also kind of shocking them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to analyze every single website I'm going to send an email to. I will tell them what they are doing wrong, how we can help them, and why they will benefit from our services. The main goal of writing these emails is to actually give them value up front. You already want to help them, you want to tell them what they are doing wrong, because first of all you will shock them, of course, because they want to get more customers as well, right? And if you can help them to get more customers, in case you are an SEO or a digital marketing agency like us, then of course, if you can give them more value than you get from them, they want to work with you. That's obvious. And no matter if you're an SEO agency, I don't know, tech agency, it really doesn't matter what kind of services you provide or products. If you can actually manage to use my templates, to use my ideas of doing email marketing and implement them in your own business with your own kind of style, then I can assure you that you will get a lot of customers. And now before you will start with this course, I also wanted to mention one more thing. This course is absolutely free. I am sharing so much value and knowledge with you for free. I don't want a single dollar from you guys. But if you like this course, if you actually enjoyed this course and learned a lot from this, then I would really appreciate one out of two things. First of all, if you're trying to make some money yourself and if you want to work with me and my company, then I have good news for you. We will be hiring affiliate marketing sellers that resell our services and products. Yes, you've heard right. You are taking this course and you can actually make money from it right now. Once you finish the course and answered all of the questions from the quiz and went through the quiz successfully, then if you want to, you can shoot me a message on Udemy telling me that you want to work with us, and then I will give you my Skype name and we can have a business call and I will hire you if I like your work. I would love to work with all of you guys. I'm really looking to get a lot of affiliate resellers for our website because this is such a beautiful opportunity, right? You can make some money and we can scale our business and everyone benefits. And the second thing, if you don't want to work with us, there's also one really cool thing you could do for me. If you know anyone, some of your friends, some of your business clients, I don't know, that wants to get some SEO or digital marketing work done, so for example social media marketing on Instagram or some generic SEO services, then please recommend them our company marketinghope.net. We are a professional SEO business doing SEO for over 3 years now. We have a lot of happy clients. And if you actually take a look at our website, if you actually take a look at our case studies, then you will understand that we actually do not talk about our work, we actually deliver results. So our work talks about us. And if you randomly or somehow know someone that could benefit from our services, then please just send them a text message telling them that you found a really cool SEO and digital marketing agency, and we will take care of the rest for you guys. So yeah, that was the introduction to this course. Hopefully you are going to enjoy this course. Hopefully you will benefit a lot and you will make a lot of new sales and get a lot of new customers. And now let's start with the first section of this course.